Okay, so taking a dust sample from a concrete silo in Southampton docks. You can see the lovely boats going by, motor launch coming by now. Pleasant day in September. So first off, I'm going to come down about 13 metres from the top. If I push against the wall, I just go backwards. So to try and drill a sample, it will just go backwards. It is possible, there's two of us on this drop, you can sort of do a bit of combined tactics. You can get the hole started and then put the hook in the hole. But since there happens to be a lightning conductor down the side of the silo here, I'm going to use that. Just put the hook straight behind the lightning conductor. That means I can push against it now. So first off, I need to mark up where the bars are and measure the cover to the reinforcement. Concrete cover. So we have Ferroscan on the lanyard, obviously. Reasonably expensive. It won't survive 25 metres to the ground. So switch on, quick scan mode, go into it, there we are, ready to record. Ooh, it's shallower on this one, 68mm cover there, one bar is there. Ooh, one's further away than I thought. Ooh, a long way away, look over there, 67 that one was. There should be one here. Whatever's there is much deeper than this thing can pick up. It's about 100mm range. Right, horizontal bar is at 41mm. Second one's at 41mm as well. It's consistent. Read when you've got the thing at an angle, you can't read it. So it's there anyway. Two at 41mm. Cover 41. That's the layout of the bars. Switch a quick scan off. In the bag. There we are. Now I can push against the wall without disappearing off backwards. Drill on the lanyard. Now this has already got depth set on it, but initially we lose the first 5mm of any sample to avoid mixing in a load of surface contaminants with it. So I'm doing that part. Right, set the depth. That's 30mm. So that's excuse me, 5mm discarded, 25mm of the first increment of the sample. Dust down the dust collector. Thank you. Okay, so dust from dust collector needs to get into bag. So put the bag over the top. So, and invert it. Tap on the wall releases all the stuff from the back. It does clean out quite well, this. It's not much, there's really very little left inside afterwards. Yep, I'll have the other one as well. Thank you. Let's collector back in, ready for the second increment. So that's the first increment, 5mm to 30mm, loads of dust in there, more than we need. And this is location 82A, because it's the first increment. We only need 85, so we've only got 3 more after this. Oh, the wind's blowing me about a bit. Right, now safe. So I need to clean out the hole before I take the second increment. I've got a little puffer in here. Guilty puffer goes with guilty drill. Avoiding contamination between the 2 increments. So set the second depth, that's already marked on here. There it is. That'll be to 55mm. Top one first. Thank you. It's always useful to have a glamorous assistant on hand. Let's collect the back in, that's done with for now. Yeah, plenty in the second increment there as well, more than enough. Well, now that's the dust sample taken, so we're now going to get the depth of carbonation by cleaning this out, chipping it off, and then spraying phenolphthalein on it. So first off, cleaning out. Right, chip it with the hammer. There we are, hammer's on a lanyard as well. Ooh, can't get a good swing at that today. Should be enough. Puff it again. Fresh break of concrete there. Straight away you can see there's a very small area here, particularly on the left side here, which has gone, it's clear, it's not going purple. The purple you can see between the aggregate there, that's the good concrete. Clear bit is the bit where the carbon has penetrated. And that's going to be 5mm. No more than 5mm. Put it into 50 depth level with the surface, I can see that the purple is a 5mm. Yep. That's good, 5mm carbonation. Right, done with the drill, go back in, and I'm just going to make good the hole, bring the mixed can water, sorry, 5 mil. Yeah. Good as new. Right, can remove the hook. Now we're ready to continue down. Now, what height are we at? What height?
Approximately 13.5 meters.
13.5 meters down. Okay, that's cool. So we're 27 meters up roughly. One more further down?
Sorry?
One more sample further down?